Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll be going through the difference between the editor account and the admin account, some important notes, and the maintenance plan. Alright, currently, you will have received two accounts. Number one, the editor account, and number two, the admin account. What's the difference? The editor account, you'll be using it 99% of the time, alright, to update content, to add new blog posts, and to check your form entries. The editor account has a simplified menu, okay? Whereas for the admin account, it's used for sensitive tasks. Therefore, if you do not know what you're doing, we do not recommend logging into the admin account, all right? The admin account is used to add new users, to update plugins, to update security settings, and it has a full complicated menu. So if you are doing things like updating content or adding blog posts, just use the editor account instead of the admin account. Some important notes to take note of. Throughout this tutorial series, we'll be teaching you how to edit and make changes to your website. All of these edits to your website are made at your own discretion. We are not liable for any layout issues or bugs that result from your changes. If you need us to revert or fix the website due to any edits, additional charges will apply. Okay, this is important to take note. And if you need support to update your content, we do have a maintenance plan available. This maintenance plan covers plugin updates, content updates, and bug supports, so you can focus on running your business, all right? So if you require this, contact us for more information.